How to change hotel reservation on Expedia. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll discuss on how to change your hotel reservation using the Expedia application. So if you're having trouble with this, don't worry, we're here to help. So just follow the simple steps to modify your hotel booking on Expedia. So you can make various changes online, such as adjusting the guest time, bed type, smoking preferences, special request, and accessibility options. You can also modify the room type, number of guests, and travel dates. To change your hotel reservation, you have to follow the straightforward process. That is, you have to first open the Expedia application and log into your specific account. Now, once you're in the homepage, tap on the trip section from the bottom of the screen and select the itinerary you want to change. And then click on Change to make your adjustments. Additionally, if you need to cancel your hotel reservation, you can also do so without any fees within the grace period, either through the Expedia app or the Expedia website. Just to remember to review the hotel's cancellation policy, as some bookings may be non-refundable and non-eligible for the changes. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can change hotel reservation on Expedia application. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.